Introducing the Electrolux Perfect Care 800 series tumble dryer with DelicateCare system. Electrolux Perfect Care 800 tumble dryers with the DelicateCare system have outstanding programs that tailor the temperature and drum motion to the needs of your delicate garments. The patent-pending wool program ensures no shrinkage compared to flat drying, and the outdoor program adds the right amount of heat and motion to your drying to restore the water repellence of outdoor garments to preserve their functionality. The precise Smart Sense system detects the humidity of your load for absolute drying precision and protection from overheating. This ensures that shape and softness are maintained over time. The Mixed XL program dries and protects up to 6 kilograms of mixed textiles in a single load. The best-in-class Bed Linen XL program ensures even drying of large items such as bed linen for your convenience. The Electrolux Gentle Care system dries your clothes at half the temperature used by conventional tumble dryers. This maintains fabric texture for longer and significantly reduces energy consumption and drying time by up to 50%. Electrolux Perfect Care tumble dryers are available with a selection of accessories. The new Electrolux Premium pedestal raises the tumble dryer to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading, and provides a storage drawer for laundry essentials. The Electrolux Soft Care scented dryer sheets make your laundry softer and easier to iron. And finally, the Electrolux Stacking Kit creates extra space in the laundry room. No fixing required. Register your Electrolux tumble dryer via the Electrolux app or website to extend your warranty by up to 10 years. Receive regular news from Electrolux, laundry tips, and accessory discounts of up to 25%. Delivering perfect results every time. The Electrolux Perfect Care 800 series tumble dryer with DelicateCare system.